Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
A paywall works by restricting full article access until you subscribe or authenticate. Publishers use paywalls to fund journalism and protect copyrighted material. Many sites offer a 30-day trial or limited free articles per month for casual readers. You should choose legal options instead of circumventing protections to respect creators and avoid legal risk. Removing or bypassing protections violates terms and may be illegal in some places, which could cause penalties or civil liability. This guide explains lawful alternatives to gain access and support quality content. Public libraries often provide free access to newspaper and journal databases for cardholders. Use your library login on publisher sites or access aggregated databases like ProQuest. University or workplace accounts may grant access through institutional subscriptions if you are affiliated. Ask a librarian about interlibrary loan or document delivery services for specific articles you need. Many libraries also offer trial passes or guest access that last 7 to 30 days for remote research. These lawful routes support publishers while giving you needed material. Consider monthly subscriptions, which often cost less than $5 for digital access to a title. Many publishers run discount promotions like 25% off for new subscribers or student pricing. Sign up for newsletters that provide free article summaries or limited full stories without breaching terms. Contact authors or publishers directly to request a copy for research or review. Many will share PDFs for educational purposes. Use browser reader modes and citation tools to save and cite allowed content for offline study.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.